Hey beauties! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Nail Art Basics, your guide to perfect manicures at home. Once upon a time, in a quaint little town, there lived a young woman named Mia. Mia had always admired the intricate designs and vibrant colors of nail art, but she had never tried it herself. One sunny morning, as she sipped her coffee and scrolled through her social media feed, she stumbled upon a series of breathtaking nail art designs. Inspired and excited, Mia decided it was time to embark on a journey to master the art of perfect manicures at home. Mia knew she needed guidance, so she decided to create a step-by-step plan to help her become a nail art pro. She called her plan Nail Art Basics, your guide to perfect manicures at home. This plan would cover everything from tools and materials to nail care, basic techniques, and simple designs. With a determined heart and a curious mind, Mia set out on her colorful adventure. Tools and materials. Mia's first task was to gather all the essential tools and materials for her nail art journey. She made a list and headed to the local beauty supply store. As she wandered through the aisles, she carefully selected each item. 1. Nail polish. Mia picked a variety of colors, including a shiny base coat and a protective top coat. 2. Nail art brushes. She found a set of fine-tipped brushes perfect for intricate designs. 3. Dotting tools. These would help her create beautiful dots and circular patterns. 4. Nail files and buffers to shape and smooth her nails, ensuring they were ready for art. 5. Nail clippers for trimming her nails to the desired length. 6. Cuticle pusher and nippers to keep her cuticles neat and tidy. 7. Nail art stickers and decals for quick and easy designs on busy days. 8. Striping tape to create straight lines and geometric patterns. 9. Sponges for achieving stunning gradient effects. 10. Acetone and cotton pads, essential for cleaning up any mistakes. With her basket full, Mia returned home, excited to organize her new tools and start her nail art adventure. Nail care and preparation. Mia knew that before she could create beautiful nail art, she needed to take good care of her nails. She followed a meticulous routine to ensure her nails were healthy and well prepared. 1. Remove old polish. Mia used acetone and cotton pads to remove any old nail polish completely. 2. Trim and shape nails using her new nail clippers. She trimmed her nails to the perfect length and shaped them with a file, moving in one direction to avoid splitting. 3. Soak and push back cuticles. She soaked her nails in warm, soapy water to soften the cuticles, then gently pushed them back with a cuticle pusher. 4. Exfoliate and moisturize. Mia exfoliated her hands and nails to remove dead skin cells, then applied a rich moisturizer to keep them hydrated. 5. Buff the nail surface. She used a buffer to smooth the surface of her nails, helping the polish adhere better. 6. Apply base coat. Finally, Mia applied a thin layer of base coat to protect her nails and create a smooth surface for the polish. With her nails perfectly prepped, Mia was ready to dive into the world of nail art. Basic techniques. Mia began by mastering the basic techniques that would serve as the foundation for her nail art creations. She practiced diligently, perfecting each technique. 1. Solid color application. Mia applied a thin layer of base coat and let it dry. She then carefully painted her nails with the first coat of nail polish, starting from the center and moving to the sides after letting the first coat dry. She applied a second coat for a more opaque finish. She finished with a top coat to add shine and protect the polish. 2. French manicure. Mia applied a base coat and let it dry. She then painted a sheer pink polish as the base color. Using white nail polish, she painted the tips of her nails. Achieving a classic French manicure look, she finished with a top coat for a polished finish. 3. Polka dots. After applying a base coat and letting it dry, Mia painted her nails with a bright base color. She dipped a dotting tool into a contrasting color and gently pressed it onto her nails to create playful polka dots. She sealed the design with a top coat. For striping tape designs, Mia applied a base coat and let it dry. She painted her nails with a base color and let it dry completely using striping tape. She created patterns and painted over them with a contrasting color. She carefully removed the tape to reveal clean, crisp lines and finished with a top coat. 5. Gradient nails. Mia applied a base coat and let it dry. She painted her nails with a white base color on a makeup sponge. She applied to stripes of different colored nail polish. She dabbed the sponge onto her nails, blending the colors together to create a beautiful gradient effect. She finished with a top coat. Simple nail art designs. Confident in her basic techniques, Mia decided to try out some simple nail art designs. She experimented with various styles, each one more exciting than the last. 1. Accent nail. Mia painted all her nails with a solid color. She chose one nail on each hand to be the accent nail and applied glitter polish to it, creating a stunning focal point. 2. Floral designs. She painted her nails with a soft base color. Using a fine-tipped brush, she created small flowers with dots and petals. Adding leaves for extra detail, she finished with a top coat to protect her delicate designs. 3. Stripes. Mia painted her nails with a vibrant base color. Using a striping brush, she added bold stripes in a contrasting color. Experimenting with different widths and directions, she sealed the design with a top coat. For ombre effect, Mia painted her nails with a pastel base color. She used a makeup sponge to dab a darker shade onto the tips of her nails, creating a soft ombre effect. She blended the colors by dabbing the sponge lightly over the entire nail and finished with a top coat. 5. Geometric patterns. She painted her nails with a bright base color using striping tape. She created geometric shapes like triangles and squares in a contrasting color. She experimented with different patterns and color combinations, finishing each design with a top coat. Conclusion. After weeks of practice and experimentation, Mia's nails were a testament to her dedication and creativity. She had mastered the basics of nail art and could now create stunning designs with ease. Her friends and family were in awe of her skills, often asking her to do their nails for special occasions. Mia's journey to nail art mastery was filled with fun, learning, and a sense of accomplishment. She had discovered a new way to express herself and add a touch of personal flair to her look. Most importantly, she had learned that with patience and practice, anyone could achieve beautiful, salon-perfect nails at home. And so, Mia's adventure in nail art continued, with new designs and techniques waiting to be explored. Her nails became a canvas for her creativity, and she wore her colorful creations with pride and confidence. For sticking around for this nail tutorial while we dived into some intriguing stories. If you enjoyed this blend of beauty and narrated stories, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our unique content. Share your nail art results and favorite moments from today's story in the comments below. Until next time, stay creative and stay curious.
Hey goddess babes. Sanitary is extremely important, so always clean before and after you complete a nail set, whether it's for yourself or your client.